A smile is a sign of health. At EON Clinics, we use the latest technology to help you conquer gum infections and advanced tooth decay.
I was always tired, I was always sleepy, and I was depressed because I couldn't smile, I couldn't laugh, I didn't want to be in pictures.
Poor oral health can lead to more serious medical issues. Our implants fight back, minimizing infections and functioning just like strong, healthy teeth.
Most of my patients, they expressed that the procedure was much easier than what they had expected before they go.
The ease of taking care of them, the ease of the process. I left the same day with teeth. It was great.
We go out of our way to make sure your procedure is smooth, painless, and is medically advanced for a safe, satisfying outcome.
You will end up improving the life quality.
Gain the strength to live your best life with dental implants. Call 844-365-SMILE or visit eonclinics.com.